One of your hair dryers would be enough, wouldn't it?
Put it in turbo boost mode
Oh,
and you're
turbo,
set.
yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see the license plate on that car because it doesn't look like a New York plate. It looks like maybe New
Yeah.
Mexico, or I don't forget who has yellow plates, but somebody who
New
maybe
Mexico, that
was a
Didn't
recent
realize.
transplant and didn't realize you probably shouldn't park downwind of a Great Lake. Yeah, when there's a cold snap on the way, they're going to be getting up to a foot of snow in that part of the country as well. So yeah, wrap it in ice and then dump snow on it. Good luck.
Hey, which by the way,
That
you
car might be there
mentioned
till March.
it could be. Yeah, you did mention though, some folks, some of our viewers are going to see a little bit of snow action today.
Yes, a little bit of snow. It's not
Okay.
going to stick. It's not going to cause any problems, but don't be surprised if you see some flakes in the air. Let's see if we can see any flakes in the air right now. Looking out from our WeatherBug camera network and just seeing some clouds right now from Westside Elementary School on the Macon-Sumner County line. This part of the mid-state, one of the areas where you could see a few flakes flying around later on this morning. Looking outside from Smith County, and as the picture comes into focus, as the skies brighten, well, a fair amount of cloud cover. The camera jittering around a little bit with a breeze that makes it feel chillier than it actually is. There's a little bit of sunshine just ducking underneath the clouds over downtown Nashville and reflecting off those downtown buildings. But we're not going to see much sunshine for the first part of the day. It should reemerge by this afternoon, but by that point we're going to be colder and windy. Looking at the forewarned live radar, and we are starting to pick up on some radar returns here in the northwestern part of the mid-state. All of this here around Nashville and Murfreesboro, that's ground clutter from the radar site. Those aren't actual flurries. There's some moisture starting to move into our counties in southern Kentucky, the western part of southern Kentucky, Trigg County, Christian County here. A lot of this is evaporating before it hits the ground. The air over the mid-state is very dry, so as it moves through, we're going to see a little burst of snow showers mixed with a few raindrops. That's why you're seeing that pink color on the map as well. Southern Kentucky, far northern middle Tennessee, eventually into the eastern part of the mid-state, but it's not going to accumulate and cause you any problems. The accumulating snow is staying way up to our north around Louisville. They're going to pick up a bit of snow, as I'll show you on Futurecast snow accumulation in just a moment. But again, just to emphasize, you're going to see a little burst of snow mixed with rain move through the northern part of the mid-state. But temperatures right now are above freezing, which helps to limit any potential for accumulation. And it's just so light to begin with. It's not going to have much of a chance to stick. 36 degrees in Nashville, 35 Clarksville, 35 degrees in Hopkinsville. So as that shower moves towards Hopkinsville, it's running into air that's close to, but above freezing, and that does make a big difference. It's chillier farther south, 26 degrees in Lawrenceburg and 28 degrees in Tullahoma. That cloud cover is moving in from the north, so where it hasn't really moved in yet, you've had a couple more hours to cool off with that heat escaping off into space. Not like we had a whole lot of heat yesterday to begin with. It feels chillier out there. That wind out of the southwest is enough to kind of just take that heat away from your body, make it feel like 29 degrees in Nashville, 20 Tullahoma and in Paris. So despite the fact that temperatures are about 20 to 25 degrees warmer right now than they were 24 hours ago, you still need to bundle up a bit on your way out the door. There's that quick little burst of snow mixed with a few raindrops as well. It moves out of the mid-state, even off the Cumberland Plateau by mid-afternoon. Clouds decrease. We'll see a lot of sunshine before the sun goes down, just before 5 o'clock, but it's going to be colder and windy throughout the afternoon. High temperatures are going to occur right around noon, and then we'll be down to the upper 20s already by 6, 7 o'clock, and down into the mid to upper teens with clear skies overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. But a lot of sunshine throughout the day tomorrow. Just a few high clouds scooting through. Those are not going to do anything you need to worry about. And temperatures will bounce back up into the low 40s, which is below average, but at least close to where we're supposed to be this time of year. And some milder weather is in the forecast by Thursday and Friday, at least temporarily, before another shot of cold air heads our way in time for the weekend. So where is the snow actually going to add up? Well, not around here. Could pick up some minor accumulations up around Louisville towards Cincinnati as well. Really, most of the snow is going to fall up into Ohio, Pennsylvania, and into the mountains of West Virginia. So if you see some snowflakes in the air, don't panic. We can leave our lighthearted look at snow forecasts in the lowest category. Really, there's just no reason to worry about any potential icy conditions on the roads. Temperatures are going to be above freezing, and the snow, if it falls, will be very, very light. Temperatures do fall rapidly. The dog walking forecast looks pretty chilly by 5 o'clock this evening, with a wind chill down into the 20s. It's going to be cold by tomorrow morning. We'll check out the 7-day forecast one more time, coming up in a few minutes.
All right, need those gloves like Dagny has on, all right? Little mitten.